Let's learn how to fix common app issues. Are you trying to log into your app, any app of your choice, and you're having issue with it? Are you trying to really get some features from your app and you're having issue with it? Do you want to access a particular option on your app and it's not really logging in? Hello, welcome to GlideTech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to fix common app issues. The first step you have to take is to make sure that your app is up to date by going to your Play Store or App Store and updating the app. Having done that, the second thing you have to do is to head straight to the settings of your phone. So right here on the settings of my phone, all I have to do is to scroll gently and click on App Management. On App Management, I just have to click on App List. So right here, I have to select the particular app that I have issues resolving. I just click on it. Clicking on it, you just have to click on Storage and Cache. Clear your cache. This cache contains trashes in that particular app. You can actually clear your storage at once if you want, but you have to know that if you clear your storage, your app will become a new app automatically. That means you have to re-register and enter your profile details again on that particular app. So after you've done that, you have to go back and try to log into that particular app. But if you try to log into the app and you still have issue, I advise you to click steadily on that particular app and click on uninstall and reinstall it by going to your Play Store or App Store. I believe with these steps it will work. If it didn't work for you, I will advise you to restart your phone and check your data if it's an app that required data. So guys, I hope with this you'll be able to solve or resolve any issue you have with your app. So guys, if this video was helpful, do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.